Let me show you how you can use the ActiveState platform's BuildGraph API to retrieve information about your project. Now you can script against the API here if you want to access it programmatically, or you can also just use our interactive documentation. Just by clicking the link, I'm brought to our interactive documentation. Now I'm going to change the org name to my org name, and I'm going to change the project name to a project that I'm currently working on called TwitterBot. And then I'll just run this query. I get a response from the back end that tells me my project called TwitterBot currently has a commit ID of this. It also shows me a few of the packages that are associated with this project. One of them is Django. You can see that when we build Django from source, we're going to access it at this location. But if you have a need to access Django for your own purposes, you can download the source code directly from here as well. Now, another way you can interact with the API is to see what vulnerabilities you have in your project. In this case, I'm just going to copy up to here, so I don't have to replace my org name. If I open up my query, I can just paste over top and then run that against the back end. And you can see that my project called TwitterBot has a couple of mediums and a couple of moderate vulnerabilities against it. So that's a couple of ways that you can work with the API today, and we'll be adding more functionality as we go forward in the future.